Today we will explore 3 powerful hand mudra for acidity, indigestion and constipation relief. These mudras are simple, safe, natural and perfect for you. Let me show you the first mudra. Apana Mudra. Join the tips of the middle finger and ring finger to the tip of the thumb. Keep the other 2 fingers remain straight. Apana Mudra activates your elimination system naturally. Removes toxins from your body. Relieves stomach heaviness immediately. Balances your digestive energy. Reduces bloating and discomfort. Do this every morning for 15 minutes on an empty stomach. Do not press your fingers too hard. Just a gentle touch is enough. Breathe slowly and naturally. Now let me show you the second mudra. Vayu Mudra. Bend the index finger and press it with the base of the thumb. Keep the other 3 fingers straight. Vayu Mudra release trapped gas immediately. Reduce stomach bloating fast. Ease abdominal pain naturally. Improve digestion flow. Makes you feel lighter and comfortable. Practice this for 5 minutes after your meals, especially after lunch and dinner. Do not practice this mudra for more than 30 minutes at a time. Now the third and final mudra. Surya Mudra. Bend your ring finger and press it down with the base of your thumb. Keep the other fingers straight. Surya Mudra gives you stronger digestive power, better food breakdown, faster metabolism naturally, more energy throughout the day, regular bowel movements. Do this mudra for 10 minutes before breakfast every morning. It prepares your digestive system for the day ahead. Do not practice this on a full stomach. Wait at least 2 hours after eating. Do not practice this late at night. Morning time is best for Surya Mudra. There are no side effects. Just natural healing. Practice every single day. You might feel relief within 24 hours. For chronic constipation that you have had for years, practice for 3 months regularly. Share your experience in the comments below. I read every single comment. I want to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more natural healing mudras. Thank you for watching.